Welcome to Sahens English School. In this video, you are going to practice English listening with a real-life hotel reservation conversation. This lesson is designed especially for beginners and intermediate English learners. You will hear slow, clear, and natural English spoken with an American accent. Listen carefully. Focus on the pronunciation, the rhythm, and the way each sentence is spoken. Do not worry if you do not understand everything the first time. This is completely normal. The more you listen, the better your English listening skills will become. So relax, stay focused, and let's begin this English listening practice together.
Good afternoon. Thank you for calling Sunrise Hotel. My name is Anna. How may I assist you today?
Good afternoon. Thank you for taking my call. I would like to make a reservation for an upcoming stay at your hotel.
Of course, I will be happy to help you with your reservation. May I first ask for the dates you are planning to stay with us?
Yes, certainly. I am planning to arrive on Friday, March 15th, and I would like to check out on Monday, March 18th.
Thank you very much. So that would be 3 nights, from Friday to Monday. Could you please tell me how many guests will be staying in the room?
There will be 2 adults staying in the room, my wife and myself.
Very good. And what type of room are you looking for? We offer standard rooms, deluxe rooms, and suites with different views.
We are interested in a deluxe room, preferably with a sea view if that is available.
Please allow me a moment to check the availability for those dates. Thank you for waiting. I am happy to inform you that we do have a deluxe room with a sea view available.
That sounds wonderful. Could you please tell me the price per night for that room?
Certainly. The rate for the deluxe sea view room is $150 per night. This price includes breakfast for 2 people.
That seems reasonable. Could you please tell me more about the breakfast that is included?
Of course, breakfast is served every morning from 6:30 to 10:30. It includes a buffet with hot and cold options, fresh fruit, pastries, eggs, coffee, tea, and juice.
That sounds perfect. I also wanted to ask if the hotel provides free Wi-Fi.
Yes, absolutely. We provide high-speed Wi-Fi free of charge throughout the hotel, including all guest rooms and public areas.
Excellent. And what about parking? Is parking available at the hotel?
Yes, parking is available for our guests. We offer free on-site parking, and there is no need to reserve it in advance.
That is very convenient. I would also like to know if the hotel has a swimming pool.
Yes, we do. We have an outdoor swimming pool that is open daily from 8 in the morning until 8 in the evening. We also provide towels and lounge chairs for our guests.
Great. Everything sounds very nice so far. I would like to go ahead and confirm the reservation.
Wonderful. Before I proceed, may I please have your full name?
Yes. My full name is Michael Johnson.
Thank you, Mr. Johnson. Could you also provide me with a phone number where we can reach you if necessary?
Certainly. My phone number is 555-782-9401.
Thank you. And may I have your email address so we can send you the confirmation?
Yes. My email address is michael.johnson@email.com.
Perfect. Now, in order to guarantee the reservation, we will need a credit card. Please note that your card will not be charged now. It is only used to guarantee the booking.
That is fine. I can provide my credit card details.
Your reservation is now confirmed, Mr. Johnson. You will receive a confirmation email within the next few minutes.
I understand. Thank you very much. Before we finish, I have one more question. What time is check-in and check-out?
Check-in starts at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and checkout is until 11 o'clock in the morning.
Perfect. Is it possible to request an early check-in if we arrive earlier?
Yes, you may request early check-in. It depends on availability, but we will do our best to accommodate you.
Thank you. That is very helpful.
You are very welcome. We look forward to welcoming you to Sunrise Hotel.
We are looking forward to our stay as well. Thank you again for your excellent service. Goodbye.
It was my pleasure. Have a wonderful day.
Great job for listening until the end of this lesson. By watching this video, you are taking an important step toward improving your English listening skills. Remember, progress comes with patience and practice. Try to listen to this conversation again. Repeat the sentences out loud and use these expressions in real life. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Sahens English School, and share this video with someone who wants to improve their English. Thank you for learning with us. See you in the next English listening lesson.